Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy gold ETF in Robinhood. First, open your Robinhood app into your device. Make sure your account is fully verified. Next, tap on this search icon. After that, search for the ETF or stock you want to invest in. Robinhood supports popular gold ETFs like SPDR Gold Shares as well as gold mining companies. Type SPDR. Once you find the ETF, click on it and open the page. Review the price, historical performance, and market data. Decide how much money you want to invest. After deciding the amount, choose the order type. You can select a market order to buy at the current price or a limit order to buy only when the price reaches a level you choose. Enter the amount and swipe up to submit the order. After the purchase is complete, the ETF stock will appear in your Robinhood portfolio. You can monitor your investment, check price changes, and sell your share whenever you want. That was all. Thanks for watching.